My grandmother's name was Norma Lee. She was clever, kind, funny, artistic, and she always showed her love for others through food. So during a recent move, I found a box that was full of her recipes, and inside was a folder that had my name on it, but there was nothing inside. So I started to think about what could have been inside this folder, and I was just overwhelmed with the most wonderful memories. She always made chocolate crinkle cookies just for me. It always made me feel so special that she made them just for me, because nobody else ate them. And she would make an entire batch, as in dozens of them, just so that I could eat some every year. This recipe is very special to me because it's symbolic of the love I shared with my grandmother. But it's also just the perfect addition to a holiday table. It's easy, it's fun, it's appealing to everybody, and they just have that beautiful kind of snowy look. So they're perfect for the holidays, and I'm excited to share it, and I'm really wishing everybody happy holidays.
Norma Lee's Chocolate Pretzel Crinkle Cookies. Ingredients: 8 ounces pretzels crushed thoroughly in a food processor, 3/4 of a cup Hershey's Special Dark Cocoa Powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1½ cups granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, room temperature, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon espresso powder, and powdered sugar. Combine the sugar, eggs, oil, espresso powder, and vanilla thoroughly. The espresso powder is optional, but it magically enhances the chocolate flavor of the cookies without tasting like coffee at all. Add in the pretzels, cocoa powder, and baking powder, stirring until just combined. Cover and chill for 2 to 3 hours. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Scoop evenly sized portions of the dough into a large container filled with powdered sugar. Be sure that your cookie scoops are all the same size and about 2 tablespoons worth of dough. Very gently coat the dough balls in powdered sugar and lay them out on a cookie sheet lined with a silpat or parchment paper. Give them plenty of space, baking 12 per sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, then remove from the oven. More or less time may be needed. It's best to do a small test batch before you make a full sheet. Allow the cookies to rest on the pan for 5 minutes, then carefully remove them to a platter or a clean piece of parchment paper to cool. These are best when cooled or slightly warm. Store in an airtight container if there are any leftovers. Simple, elegant, and no one has to know how easy it was. Happy holidays.